Good morning. It's Tuesday, June 9th, the 177th day of school. You can see we're on X for the countdown, and we'll talk about that in a moment. Let's go ahead and write 177, represent it with 1, 10s, and hundreds blocks, and write an equation. And we'll do our mindful breathing, talk about the countdown, and we have a feeling to do today. We have a lot to do this morning. Okay, so let's start with 177. You can go ahead and write the number 177, represented with hundreds, tens, and ones blocks. Okay, let's look at our blocks. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177. 100th block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens blocks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones blocks. 177. Okay, let's see what it looks like. 177. 177. 100 plus 70 plus 7 equals 177. Okay. Let's do our mindful breathing. We'll do mindful breathing, talk about a feeling, and then we'll talk about the countdown. Okay, so we'll do it in that order. So get in a position where you can be like a statue. Let's get ready. Oh, sorry, my finger was on the chime. Okay, let's end there. Okay, so I have a feeling to share with you today. I'm getting out my feeling book here. This page says, let me show you the picture. It says, ecstatic. How exciting. I had a dream that I was a rock star and hundreds of people came to hear me sing. When I came out onto stage, the crowd went wild. The crowd was so excited and happy. They cheered and clapped and jumped up and down. Feeling ecstatic is a powerful feeling. Have you ever felt so much excitement that you felt like you were going to burst? That's a feeling of feeling ecstatic. You're so excited that you feel like you're going to burst. Oh my goodness. When have you felt that excited? When have you felt ecstatic? so excited that you felt like you're going to burst. Now that to me sounds like a good feeling, that you're feeling really, really, really super excited about something. I think there's been lots of times when I felt really, really super excited about things. I guess it was 2 summers ago, I went on a trip to Glacier National Park, and I got to go backpacking in a really beautiful place. And right before that trip, like getting ready for it and packing my bags, and the day when we drove to Glacier and we knew we were going out in the backcountry the next day, that's how I felt. I felt pretty ecstatic. I just couldn't wait. I'd been there many, many years before, and I remembered it being just amazing. And so the night before we were ready to go and we were packing up our backpacks, I was ecstatic. I just couldn't contain how excited I was. And that's a time when I remember being like just so excited that, yeah, it was almost like I could burst. The energy was just like, oh, like trying to flow right out of me because I was so excited for that trip. So think about a time, when have you been ecstatic? When have you been so excited that you could almost burst? When was that time? Okay, I want you to think about that and share with one of your family members a time when you were ecstatic. Okay, now on to the countdown. Today is X, okay? X. Not many words start with an X. It's really cool that we have Xander in our class. Xander starts with an X. So we're using a word that has X as its second letter, not its first letter. And I'm going to write the word, and I'll show you what the word is. That word is explore. See the X right there? Explore. So for X is for explore a new place. Is there a place you've never been that you can explore? Now this is something, if it's leaving your property or your yard, or if it's even going outside, you'll want to check with your family. Please don't go anywhere without your family if it's leaving your yard, but check with your family and see if there's a way that you can explore a new place. Maybe it doesn't necessarily have to happen today if that doesn't fit into your schedule, but keep in mind that summer is coming up really soon, and you could always do X at any point, but at some point, you know how you can explore a new place. Okay, so I'm going to explore a new place. There's lots of places by my house that I haven't been yet and that I want to explore. So I'll have to bring you with me, and I'll take a video to show you of a new place that I'll go to explore. I'm not sure where I'll go yet, but I'll find a place. The other way to explore new places is if you can't actually go someplace, we can go places in our minds, and books can help us to do that. So if you can't physically go to a new place, you could think about, like, maybe I want to explore Antarctica. And you could go on your computer or find a book or videos and learn about Antarctica. Now that was something that River was doing, learning about Antarctica. So you can explore new places in books and videos, or you can go to a new place. So your challenge for X is at some point to explore a new place. Okay, that will be a fun one. Have a great day, everyone.